Hey, food lovers! Today we're talking all about one-pot wonders, those easy, no-mess dinners that are perfect for busy nights. From creamy chicken Alfredo pasta to hearty veggie chili, these dishes are super simple to make, require minimal cleanup, and taste amazing. So if you're tired of doing a pile of dishes after dinner, stick around. These one-pot meals are here to save the day. Did you know one-pot meals have been around for centuries? Yep, from ancient stews to rice dishes cooked in clay pots, people have always loved throwing everything into one pot and letting it simmer. It's practical, it's easy, and over time, it's evolved into a staple for modern kitchens. Plus, who doesn't love a dinner that cuts down on time and cleanup? So, what do you need to make a one-pot meal? The beauty of these recipes is that you can mix and match ingredients based on what you have at home. For something like chicken Alfredo pasta, you'll need chicken, pasta, heavy cream, or a dairy-free alternative, garlic and Parmesan. Veggie chili? Think beans, tomatoes, spices, and your favorite veggies. The key is to layer in your ingredients so that they all cook together and soak up those delicious flavors. The best thing about one-pot meals, they're super versatile. Let's take that chicken Alfredo. If you're vegetarian, just swap out the chicken for mushrooms or broccoli. If you're gluten-free, try using gluten-free pasta or even quinoa. And with veggie chili, you can get creative with the spices. Add some smoked paprika for a deeper flavor, or throw in some sweet potatoes for extra heartiness. Whether you're cooking for picky eaters or spicing things up for yourself, you can always customize one-pot meals to suit your taste. While one-pot meals are great for home cooking, some restaurants are known for nailing that comforting, all-in-one dish. In San Francisco, Souvla serves a mouth-watering lamb and rice dish that's cooked in one pot and packed with Mediterranean flavors. And in New York, the Meatball Shop is famous for their skillet mac and cheese. Yep, cooked in one pan, with cheesy goodness in every bite. It's comfort food at its finest. So there you have it, one-pot wonders that make cooking easier and clean up a breeze. Whether you're whipping up a creamy pasta or a hearty chili, these meals are perfect for any night of the week. Less time cleaning means more time enjoying your delicious dinner. So go ahead, grab your favorite pot, and get cooking. And also, do not forget to subscribe our channel.